Happy Tuesday, everyone. What a beautiful day we have ahead of us, especially if you don't mind some summer heat. Our temperatures are going to be noticeably warmer than the last 2 days, but the humidity stays low, so it's a comfortable heat. We're in the mid-80s in Providence, the lower 80s by lunchtime in Smithfield and in Taunton and New Bedford by noon, sitting at around 83 degrees. Even Newport climbing into the low 80s this afternoon. For the late part of the day, sea breeze at the coast will keep your temperatures in check there, while inland spots headed up into the mid and upper 80s this afternoon. Again, with the humidity low, the heat index will be close to, if not slightly below, the actual air temperature, so that's a bonus. It's going to be a warm evening, still near 80 degrees at 8 o'clock in the evening, then eventually cooling through the 70s and into the 60s for overnight lows. The beaches are going to be great today. Temperatures, again, around 80, the water temperature close to 70, high UV index at 9 on the UV index scale. That puts our safe sun time at only 10 to 15 minutes. And we're looking at good visibility out on Narragansett Bay. A great day to do a little boating. Winds turning to the south in the afternoon, staying between 5 and 10 knots. The waves around 1 to 2 feet. High tide, 222 in the afternoon. Let's talk humidity. So dew points, the way that we can measure moisture content in the atmosphere. Anything above 60 starts to feel a little sticky. So by Wednesday, late day, the dew points are climbing back into the lower 60s. By Thursday, it's muggy, and by Friday, it's oppressive. It's Thursday night into Friday. The warm front will be approaching, and with that will come our best shot this week for any showers. Before that, we're looking at dry and just kind of classic summer weather, mid and upper 80s today and tomorrow. Thursday is high in the mid 80s, but with some sultry air. Get the updated forecast throughout the day today on our detailed 7-day forecast, WPRI.com. Have a great day.